Hey, what's up, you guys? Fail at Frisbee. Let's try this. Okay.
Mostly her.
Mostly me. You have to sort of get in the camera.
Oh.
So I'm in. Fuck,
Wow.
this is a fail. Wait, okay. You go
Like,
over
move
there
back.
because they need to see me catch it and throw it and how I fail.
Okay. Wow.
Fail number 1. Oh, that was a good throw.
No, it was just a good catch.
Oh, yeah. You want the Frisbee? That's what you can have. That was a good throw. Come on, people. This isn't failing. Make it look like it's failing so people laugh at us. Let's go find it. Let's go find it. Oh, please. I wish it would have gone down the hill. Imagine if it would have gone down the hill.
You're such a fail.
You're a fail.
Really, Connor?
I know. Okay, so now we can back up a little more. Because I have the camera in my hand. Wait.
Ready?
No, not really, dude.
Ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Fail.
That was a fail, dude.
I know. It was worse a fail than this. Wow.
Oh, I caught it. I caught it, bitch. I caught it.
Actually, the tree caught it once again.
Yeah. The tree is better at us than at sports. It's kind of funny. Oh, hell yeah. Yeah. F you! Gotta love my sense of humor. That didn't come anywhere near me. Okay, wait. Don't leave it there. Leave it there. No, put it down. Put it back down. I was by that table. She goes, heads up. This is where the fucking Frisbee landed. Look at heads up. Oh, wow. Was the
Heads up.
Ow. PMSing hormonal, bitch! Thumbs up if you understand what I said. Oh, never mind. Thumbs up if you understood what I said. Oh, I can't catch with one hand. Oh, apparently I can. You're right. I have to let you guys down. What? Fuck.
Yo, Rachel.
Wait. Fuck! Stay. Stay. I almost caught it thanks to you guys. I didn't. Fuck. Why do I keep throwing that way, dude? No, I can't see that.
Why didn't you catch that?
Because I don't feel like moving.
Fine.
I'm a bitch. Oh my god. Dude, I have you on fucking camera.
What?
I have you on camera if you do anything to me.
Okay.
Fuck. That's why I don't catch things. Okay.
Why do you keep throwing that way?
Ow.
You see, she is such a fail.
Shut up. Shut up. But I know I am. You could have caught that.
You could have got that.
Shut up. Anyway, peace out, guys.